I have just ordered vegetables, fruits and vegetables from Kisan Connect, जिसको ये शिल्पा शेट्टी endorse करती है. Now, I'm going to be showing you the quality of the bhindi, okay? Because this is disgusting. तुम डिस्काउंट देके हमको ऑर्डर करने को बोलते हो और तुम्हारी भिंडी में फंगस है. Look at this. फंगस है तुम्हारी भिंडी के अंदर. Look at this. Disgusting. किसान कनेक्ट. Have some shame. इतने बड़े ब्रांड हो, अपने स्टोर में स्टोरेज नहीं रखी, कोल्ड स्टोरेज. बासी माल भेज रहे हो, फंगस वाली भिंडी भेज रहे हो. आज की डेट देख लो तुम. This is so disgusting. This is pathetic. Forget refund. I'm not going to order from you. This is pathetic. Yes, मैंने कोल्ड प्रेस्ड ऑयल किसान कनेक्ट का मंगाया था, बट किसान कनेक्ट अगर इतना बड़ा ब्रांड होने के बावजूद प्रॉपर स्टोरेज नहीं रख रहा है ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स की एंड बासी माल भेज रहा है. बिकॉज इवन अ पर्सन लाइक मी हु इज़ अ स्टार्टअप हैज़ केप्ट स्टोरेज टू काइंड ऑफ स्टोर ग्रेवीज एंड एवरीथिंग. और आप तो इतना बड़ा ब्रांड हो और आप उसके बावजूद स्टोरेज नहीं रख रहे हो और फंगस वाली भिंडी भेज रहे हो, देन दैट्स रियली रियली सैड. किसान कनेक्ट मे बी आपका कोल्ड प्रेस्ड ऑयल कोल्ड प्रेस्ड नहीं है. It is refined. I don't know. I'm not checking. Yeah, baby. It's not about your refund money. It's about your work ethics. Yeah. See, this is the Kisan Connect page. There is no help button. Call now. They're just asking me to call them. But why should I call them? I should be just sharing the photo of the damaged item and they should then call me. So there is no way I am able to inform them. I have to write to them at customercare@kisanconnect.com. But there has to be a help button. There is no help button. There is privacy policy, there is terms and conditions, but there is no call us button. So call karke I have to tell them that your order had bhindi which had got fungus. Now I don't want this in my application. Like DMart has a help button. If you go, that's feedback, that's not complaint. So my orders need help. So I want such a button like that. So this I can press this, I can say what is wrong. All this should be there in my website because I don't want to function like Kisan Connect. I would like to function like DMart. And now Zomato is taking so much of commission for the orders, so it is better to go via website. See, Zomato plugin in my website works only till 10 to 12 kilometers from the location, but website orders can go to far locations also if they are properly packed. And so my customers to start using website shipping methods for ordering food because Zomato is charging me this much commission also. Customers order food and cancel on their own, so for that also Zomato is charging me money for customers doing that. Yeah, customers are important, but Zomato, you cannot blame me for customers just doing fake calls and cancelling the order on their own. Yeah, it is not available on what do you call Zomato and Swiggy, so that tag is not there on aloo puri's order. Okay, order 14 aloo puris as a bulk, you get Borzo India fees is this much, shipping fee is 207.21. Borzo India. Awesome. So 2450 is the cost of the food and 207 is the cost of shipping. This is how it is. If you're adding one aloo puri, then the shipping cost is more as compared to the cost of the aloo puri, and that's the total. So when you use the website for ordering, this is how it happens. Now for dal rice, it's there on Zomato. Okay, but here I would like you to specify order from third party, but the third party distance is less than 10 kilometers for delivery. So for distances more than 10 kilometers, you have to mention that use our website, Borzo India will deliver as per the shipping charges depending on the distance. वो क्लाइंट जोमेटो से डिलीवरी करना चाहता है जो अंधेरी एरिया में है तो उसको मिल जाएगा दाल राइस, मगर कोई बैंड्रा एरिया में है उसको दाल राइस चाहिए तो वो वेबसाइट पे जाए और बॉर्जो इंडिया से ऑर्डर करे. जोमेटो स्विगी से ऑर्डर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज बॉर्जो इंडिया विल डिलीवर टू बैंड्रा. है कि आलू पूरी एंड छोले पूरी जो मेरे वेबसाइट पे है, जोमेटो स्विगी पे नहीं है, तो इनका मिनिमम ऑर्डर 5 प्लेट्स होना चाहिए. बिकॉज पूरी क्या है, पूरी का आटा हम तभी के तभी ही गूनेंगे एंड वो तेल में गरम करके तभी के तभी बनाएंगे. बिकॉज पूरी इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ मेड लिटिल डिफरेंटली फ्रॉम नॉर्मल रोटी, एंड नॉर्मल रोटी का वी हैव मशीन्स, पूरी का वी डोंट हैव मशीन. ओके, so we would want that puri and chole puri and aloo puri, the puri orders which are there on the website, that should be bulk order, minimum 5 plates. Yeah, because the staff can actually then work like that way. Because एक plate के लिए, I don't know, this is just a thought process, I'm just thinking, because I have got roti machines, so rotis are made very fast, parathas are also made very fast, आटा गून के रखते हैं, but पूरी के लिए we have to fry there and then. Let's see, I shall discuss with my website team people and my chef, or not chef, cook जो घर में खाना बनाता है, कि भैया हमको गरम गरम पूरी देने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा पैकिंग में, you know, because तेल गरम होने को टाइम लगता है, पूरीज cannot be made on machines, so that's the whole thing. Yeah, as Kisan Connect has no help coordination via WhatsApp message or something like that, I am deleting the application. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, because I can't deal with people who are not professional. Okay, delete. There's no Kisan Connect on my phone at present. Yeah, baby. A very interesting thing happened today. Usually nobody does yoga in Pearl Heights. I've never seen anybody do yoga, but I'm going to the gym these days to do yoga because I just thought, hey, I pay maintenance. My husband pays maintenance, so why should I go to some random garden to do yoga in the rains? I should do it in the gym. Suddenly somebody pops up to do yoga and I'm like, wow, that's good. But yoga is a good activity. It opens the brain. I just interacted with an Indian Muslim out there, and he was like, because India was like celebrating the victory of the World Cup, the roads were jammed. It's a genuine concern. Common man who is traveling is going to face problem if the entire Marine Drive is blocked. It's a genuine problem. But then that's the way Indians are. We work on emotions. We work rarely on practicality. That is why we have to be very, very sensible when we choose our leader. Why did I vote for Modi? Though I might find some people in his system arrogant or corrupt or blah blah blah. Because you need a leader like that. You need a prime minister for this country like that. अगर आप बात करते हैं तो आज की तारीख में Indian Muslims still think that they are minority. An educated Indian Muslim is thinking that he's a minority. That's a joke. That's a joke. Okay. An educated Indian Muslim is thinking that it is a woman's right to wear a burqa to cover her face. An educated Indian Muslim, and that educated Indian Muslim is defending that activity of a woman by saying आप तो घूंघट पहनते हो ना आपके धर्म में. But I don't see any modern Hindu or any other Bharatiya modern woman wearing घूंघट. But I see modern English speaking Muslim Indian women wearing burqa and covering their faces. So we are not regressive. You are regressive. My religion does not promote घूंघट. Okay, the घूंघट was adopted because Mughals invaded us and we had to protect ourselves. Otherwise, in my religion, we don't have घूंघट. And a modern Indian Muslim man is talking about घूंघट in defense to a Muslim woman's right to cover her face because it's her choice. अरे तुम 10 बार cover करो यार, मुझे क्या लेना देना है? I'm not interested. But I'm just trying to tell why a leader like Modi is needed to be the Prime Minister of India. Because Muslims, Indian Muslims, quite a lot of them, they don't like Modi ji, but they have to deal with it. because in a lot of Islamic countries we don't like the Islamic rulers, but we deal with it. We behave as per the law of the land. Similarly, you have to behave as per the law of Bharat. Uniformity is yes, we all want. Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Isai, we all want. But ironically, the shocking factor is that Bharatiya Muslims still think that they are a minority. Oh my God, amazing, amazing. Anyways, that's educated Indian Muslim. Educated Indian Muslim that's talking about घूंघट in defense of to burqa. घूंघट भैया गांव में होता है, शहरों में नहीं होता. बुरखा तो गांवों में है, शहरों में है, मुंबई में है, ठीक है. बुरखा तो सब जगह है, फेस कवर करके. हमारी सनातनी औरतें रिग्रेसिव नहीं है, मॉडर्न है. आप अपनी औरतों को मॉडर्न बनाइए. मगर आई डोंट थिंक यू वांट दैट, बिकॉज दैट इज़ वाई यू आर गिविंग देम दैट थिंग कि आपका राइट है टू चूज टू वेयर अ बुरखा. यू आर एक्चुअली प्रमोटिंग इट बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट देम टू बिकम मॉडर्न, एंड दे आर बिहेविंग लाइक अ शीप मेंटालिटी बिकॉज उनकी खुद की कोई बुद्धि है नहीं. आफ्टर सीइंग व्हाटएवर इज हैपनिंग इन अफगानिस्तान एंड तालिबान, दे स्टिल वांट टू डॉन अ बुरखा and cover their face. That's their choice. I will bring it up because I live in an area which is Muslim dominated and people are actually promoting a thought process of burqa while talking to me. Can you beat it? Got to go. Busy day.